Hello my dear students, welcome back to another video. Now integral of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 1 into dx. Now solution, here using formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. X power 6 plus 1 is equal to x cube x square whole cube plus 1 cube. Here a is x square, b is 1. Okay, x square plus 1 into x square whole square is x power 4 minus x square into 1 x square ab. A is x square, b is 1, x square plus 1. So x power 6 plus 1 is x square plus 1 into x power 4 minus x square plus 1. Integral of x power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus x square. In numerator, adding and subtracting x square. Okay, by plus x square minus x square cancel, you can get x power 4 plus 1. In denominator, x power 6 plus 1 is x square plus 1 into x power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx. Denominator belongs to these two. You have to write separate. Integral of x power 4 minus x square plus 1 in denominator x square plus 1 into x power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx plus integral of x power 4 x square by x square plus 1 into x power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx. These two are cancelled. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx plus integral of, again write x square plus 1 into x power 4 minus x square plus 1 is x power 6 plus 1 into dx. Okay, this can be written as the integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus integral of x square by x cube whole square plus 1 into dx. This can be written as tan inverse x. Put here x cube is equal to 1. Sorry, t. X cube derivation is 3x square into dx is equal to dt. X square into dx is equal to dt by 3. Okay, x square into dx equal dt by 3, x cube is t, 1 by t square plus 1 into dt by 3. This can be written as tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 into integral of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 into tan inverse t plus c. That can be written as tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 into tan inverse x cube plus c. That's enough. Now another problem. Now integral of e power minus x into x cube into dx. Okay, very short trick. Minus of all terms are positive. E power minus x into x cube as it is plus e power minus x, derivation of x cube is 3x square plus e power minus x as it is 3x square derivation 6x into 6x plus 6x derivation is e power minus x into 6. Again derivation 0, you does not write that one. Okay, plus c. E power minus x is common. Okay, x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus c plus c plus c plus 6 plus c. That's enough. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. Thank you.